So we are going to make barbecue turkey wings, and Beth is getting started on marinating those wings. We're gonna cook those, and I'm gonna make the sauce.
So I've put about a half a cup of canola oil, and then I'm gonna add some barbecue seasoning, 3 tablespoons, but I'm gonna add a little at a time.
This is kind of the perfect take to a gathering dish.
Right.
Got about 8 pounds of turkey wings here that have been cut.
Super transportable, a lot easier than just turkey. And those are just gonna go into there nice and golden brown.
And they're at 375.
Right.
Now that the turkey wings are in the oven, we're ready to make the barbecue sauce. I chop up 2 shallots and cut a few garlic cloves into quarters. I saute them in a bit of canola oil while Beth chops up 3 peaches. We're Georgia girls, we love our peaches. We add them to the saucepan along with 3 tablespoons of tomato paste and a bit of maple syrup and saute for a few minutes. Then we deglaze the pan with a cup of vegetable broth and let the sauce cook down for a few minutes.
This sauce looks beautifully thickened and ready to go. We're just gonna add a couple more things to it. You've got some Worcestershire sauce over here.
A couple of dashes.
Yes, half a teaspoon of paprika.
Come on, paprika, you got this.
It's your big day, paprika. Okay, and then we want to puree this. So usually this would go into a blender, and I thought an immersion blender would be so easy. And I haven't figured out how to do this without it splashing, except for, I did figure it out. I'd like to thank my buddy Ian for showing me how to do this. So everybody's got paper plates at home. Cut a little hole out with a way to get the immersion blender in the center.
Got it, okay.
Like that. So we've just made our own handy dandy little splash guard.
Let me hold them.
Let's see how we did.
Okay.
Yeah, a little splatter.
Look at that, no mess.
Looks good.
Okay.
I'm gonna set this here. We'll clean that up later. See how the wings are looking in the
I
oven?
got them, sure.
And we'll put this wonderful peachy tomato sauce on top of the wings. And then we'll stick them under the broiler to let them get nice and crispy on top. Oh, those look great.
These are beautiful.
Those are beautiful. I'm just gonna bring the sauce over to this board so we can both work.
Okay.
Here we are. Good? I'll let you go to that one and I'll do this one. Does that sound good?
Sounds good.
And we'll clean up the counter, don't worry.
Okay, just make a mess if we have to, right?
That's right, that's what this counter's for. It'll clean up.
I can smell the peach in this. It
Yeah, this is
smells
gonna be so
good.
nice. And we're just generously slathering. And then we'll put these under the broiler 1 pan at a time. It's really quick. It's not gonna take very long. Anything under the broiler, you want
Gotta
to watch.
it. Yeah, that's a...
Everybody has a broiler story. We're not gonna do that today. This
Not
is gonna
today.
be perfect. So will you watch those?
Yes.
And I'm gonna get started on just chopping up some parsley for a garnish.
I just have to keep peeking.
You can peek.
I'm peeking. Okay, they're good. I'm taking them out. Yeah, here we go. Ooh, smelling good. Oh my goodness.
Those look good.
Right, the other pan in.
Yeah. Oh my goodness, it smells so good in here. I'm gonna go ahead and start putting some of these on the platter. These are so crispy and caramelized. They're kind of sticking to the pan a little bit. I just know that means they're gonna be so tasty.
Yeah. I'm gonna grab these out.
You did a fine job, Beth. I'm just gonna sprinkle a little bit of parsley on here, and we are almost ready. It's gonna be hot. I'm gonna bring one over for us to kind of just get a little piece off of.
idea.
Here's your little taste. I'll just do this. Here's your taste. You got this.
Okay.
Really good.
So good. Peachy and barbecue and